Hi everyone, I'm Joya and today I'm going to be cutting my own bangs.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
They're also cutting the grass outside. I don't know if you can hear it. They literally just started cutting the grass as soon as I started setting up my camera to film. So, sorry. So today I'm going to be cutting some little wispy bangs because I'm kind of sick of my hair. Like, I just need an update or something, and since I'm too scared to go to the hair salon right now, I did get my nails done, but I was like, okay, that's like the last thing and the only thing I'm gonna do, because I've heard a lot of stories of people getting sick and like at barbershops and stuff like that, so who knows when I'm gonna go to one. I do need a trim, I do need highlights like to update, but I wasn't gonna trim my hair myself and trim my layers and all that. I would definitely mess it up and I don't even want to try that, but I feel like bangs are a little bit easier. I've trimmed bangs before, but mostly like little side ones, but I kind of want not like full, but just like some little wispy pieces. So what inspired me to do this video and to cut my bangs, I was scrolling through TikTok one day and I saw someone make a TikTok about this website where if you put in your picture, it'll show pictures of people that look just like you. I forgot what the website is called, but I put in my picture and this girl came up. I don't know if you can really see. She's really pretty. I don't think she looks anything like me though. Maybe from far away. That's what my mom said. Probably just the hair. But she has like cute little wispy bangs. And that's what I'm going to try to do today. Nothing like full bangs, but just little wispy ones. This is first day hair. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that or I'm supposed to do like 5th day hair or whatever. But I needed to wash my hair today and I was too excited and I didn't want to wait to cut them, so that's what I'm doing. I also put my hair in the middle part. I felt like it would make it a little more even. I don't know if you're supposed to do that either. I'm obviously not a professional. I'm not even using professional scissors. I know everyone's gonna hate me and be cringing, but I'm doing this so you don't have to. So to prepare for this video, I watched a video from Mains by Mel. She's my favorite curly hair YouTuber. I just love her. She's so funny and she literally knows everything. So I love watching her. You guys probably all already know who she is. But she made a video in like 2018 on how to cut your bangs. And I think I've already seen it, but I never wanted to really cut my own bangs like how she did in the video. So today, I'm doing that. So I'm just going to basically do kind of what she says to do, and hopefully it won't be horrible. Okay, so I'm zooming in so I can also see. So I'm just gonna, I don't know if you can hear that. It's so loud. So she said to take a curl that's kind of like in the middle. And I mean, this curl is kind of like messed up. All my curls are just not as poppin' as they usually are. Like I said, I need a haircut. I need everything. So let's just skip past that. So she said, this one's pretty much kind of in the middle. So she said to cut like in the middle of a curl and cut shorter than where you want it to be. So I think I'm just going to cut it like right here because it's probably going to bounce up. And she said to cut at an angle. I don't know how I'm going to do that with this, but we'll try. Okay. It's fine. Okay. I feel like now this is really going to curl up and I'm actually really scared because this wasn't even that curly to begin with. But I really should have cut this longer because this isn't even that curly to begin with. So I feel like it's just going to curl up, but that's okay. So I found this one. I think I'm going to cut it like the same length. So I'm just going to cut it like right here. So like in the middle of this curl. Right there.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh my god. Okay, so I got them wet just so that way they would start to curl, and definitely made a huge mistake, but I'm just gonna keep cutting the sides just like longer pieces to see if I can salvage this and not look like an idiot like I do right now. Let's see, she said to do the pieces that are like closest to your scalp. I just want it to come like right here. So let's cut like right there. Okay, I'm gonna do this one right here. Okay, I'm gonna dry these and see. Okay, I dried it a little bit. I still feel like an idiot. Like, I feel like this literally looks so stupid, but whatever. Let's just keep going. I'm gonna cut another piece a little bit longer than this one. Okay, now the other side. Let's do like right here. Definitely not feeling this at all. Okay, I'm gonna pick just like one more just to cut it like a little bit more. I know there's a lot of noise in this video right now, so sorry about that. I'm just gonna cut it like right here. Same thing on this side. This side isn't as curly, so it looks a little bit shorter. I'm just gonna cut this one little stray hair, just like literally the smallest amount. Okay, she said to not really touch it up until like you wash it next, just to see what happens. So I'm not gonna do that. I might just add just a little bit more just to the side, just so it's not like bare on the side. I did that off camera because I didn't want to mess it up. I feel like it's very uneven, but I don't even want to touch it right now. I just kind of want to like wash it in a couple of days and see what I need to touch up. That's what she said to do, so that's what I'm gonna do. I feel like it doesn't look that bad, but at the same time it does. I can't really decide like how bad it looks right now. That is that, I guess. This looks so bad.
What'd you do? Did you cut yourself bangs?
Yeah, I feel like it looks so bad. Doesn't it?
Well, you actually cut yourself bangs.
Yeah, it looks so stupid.
What are you doing? You're actually really cute like that.
No, I feel like these look so bad. So, I actually hate it. And I wish I didn't do this because now I look literally hideous. I guess I'm just gonna wait for it to grow. And it's probably gonna grow pretty quick. I feel like my hair grows pretty quick. I think after I wash it in a couple days, maybe it'll look better. I don't really know what to do. These are definitely too short. Like if they were just a little bit longer, this is not it at all. So yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm very disappointed with myself, with everything. Never doing this again. If you guys know me in real life, I don't want to talk about it if you watch this video. If I even post this video. Maybe I will, just like for a laugh. Just to show you guys exactly what not to do. I mean, I don't even know what to do, but don't do what I just did because this is just not it. Anyways, I think I'm just going to end the video here. I don't want to talk about this anymore. I don't even want to be on camera anymore. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I know it wasn't a lot. I did a little bit of cutting off camera to try to fix it, which clearly didn't do anything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!